It's here, the 2021 M1 iMac. Yes, announced today is a 24-inch iMac, which updates the Intel 21-inch iMac. All the rumours about the Spring Event logo being rotated to hello, that's bearing back to the original Mac, were in fact correct. This is more than a refresh. It's a new enclosure and a back-to-the-future colour selection, with lighter tones at the front and more vivid tones at the back. But it still does have a chin, though the bezels are quite a lot thinner. Starting at US $12.99 for 8-core CPU, 8-core GPU and 8GB of unified memory with a 256GB SSD. But you're still only able to spec up to a 16GB of RAM, which ties in with the other M1 Macs that have been released to date. Obviously, this looks like the start of a new iMac range. It's a 24-inch screen and in mostly the same dimension enclosure as the 21-inch iMac. Let's watch out for the 27-inch model that is yet to come. The whole computer is now much thinner thanks to the M1 chip at 11.5mm. The Retina display drops down from 5K on the current iMac to 4.5K on the new model. Whether this makes any difference in real life, it'll be interesting to see. As I said, this 24-inch iMac maxes out at 16GB of unified RAM. But even so, Final Cut users will be able to edit 5 streams of 4K footage without any frames dropping. The ports are still limited to 2 Thunderbolt and 2 USB-C ports, but with an innovative Ethernet port as part of the external power block. I would expect that when the 27-inch model does make its debut, it will have more memory options. The iMac announced today fits in with the other M1 Macs currently available, the MacBook Air, Mac Mini and the 13-inch MacBook Pro. But don't be too disappointed about no 27-inch model, because this new iMac heralds some new ideas other than just the colour range and the introduction of the M1 chips. There's a rethink in a number of internal areas. First, the fans are smaller, as is the logic board, and due to the M1 low power requirements, the fans will most likely stay off completely, giving a much quieter computer. As this new iMac is an update for the current 21-inch iMac, the camera is updated to a 1080p HD, most likely similar to the current 27-inch Intel iMac. The camera is paired with the M1 to perform better in low light, as well as enhancing the image at over 1 trillion operations per second to help improve the camera's image in color balance, auto exposure, face detection and noise reduction. There's a 3-microphone array placed so you don't get feedback from the computer. The mics filter out background noise while you're talking. As well, there's a new speaker system. 2 pairs of woofers with a tweeter for each pair of the woofers. Also different is the way that power connects to the new iMac. It's got a power brick due to the thin design of the screen, and this allows a mag-type colour-matched power cable. Along with the new colours of the iMac are 3 different colour-matched keyboards. Finally available, 2 of these have Touch ID, very handy for protection when purchasing items online. Of course, the mouse and the trackpad also come in the new colours. The new iMac is available to order on the 30th of April, and deliveries will start before the end of May. So that's the first look at the 2021 M1 iMac. Let's hope that the 27-inch model is not too far away. I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and press the bell.